Hey YouTubers, JD here again, and we're just doing a little tip here, and we just cover the top of this with some masking tape just to cover the name, and we're cutting away this portion right here. I'll show you next what we're going to do. We make a little spot here in the center here with a dot. With the drill, you want to drill that dot out, okay, with a appropriate drill as big as this piece right here, so it'll slip through. So then you just drop your headphones in there, your little buds, and you just keep feeding all the line in there, like so. Okay. And here's the finished product. You have the phone jack coming out of here. All you do is take this part off, pull your headphones out, and hook them into your phone. And it's all self-contained. You can put that in your pocket. Just want to show you that little tip today, and probably have done it before with other things. Hope you have a nice day, and please rate and subscribe.